Hi. Sorry about that. I I don't know why that happened. We're back. Hopefully we're back at least. I don't know why my OBS is taking up so much of my computer's power. Okay, hold on. Give me 1 second. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. What was I doing? I don't remember what I was doing. Right, I was trying to find the other way to fix the actual town map. Is there some other way to do it? It's not that. Oh. Here it is. Found it. Camuse is the name of the region. And just click through here, make sure nothing has data that shouldn't have data. And this one is to have the name. Hey, yeah, we're back. Sorry about that. I don't know what these other ones mean yet, so we're not gonna worry about that. It didn't save that. My OBS crashed is what happened. Oh, I can just hover over these? Okay. Six two is toxic bogs. What route number is this? 18. And this is going to be... Oh, hold on. If this is like this, I can just do it. I can just do that actually in the .txt for it. And it's townmap.txt. One, two, three, four, 5 commas after each. How was I doing the zooming over it thing before? Huh? Actually, this way is gonna be easier because then I don't need to worry about the other over or the other stuff that's not in that, in this, the stuff that I was deleting. So I can actually just go in order here. Fly destination. Is that gonna be... It's gonna be this tile here, which is 3410. Switch. I don't know what that means, but okay. Oh. Natureville. Professor's lab you said was 3410? Okay. Name is route 1. Route 1. Route 1. This is definitely a lot easier than doing the in-game one. Berry white. Point of interest is the berry shop. Route 2. Vicari. Actually, hold on. Do this first. To also be Route 2. And this is Vicari Woods. That's how you spell it. Gulasteco. Gulasteco. Route 3. Route 3. Oops. Now these bajillion Route 3 points. Oops. This is the coin maze. Dextamp factory. There we go. Dextamp factory. Route 4. I think this is how the route lines up, right? Yeah, so this whole entire squiggle is Route 4. Oops. Cape Sand Scale. Camp Sunbloom. Route 5. Route 5. 5. Permetto. Meadow. 6. Route 6. Veni Cave. And then where does Route 7 go? I have this labeled as 7 and this labeled as 8. But maybe it makes more sense to switch those. Well, for now, I'll fill this in. Tellera. Why am I forgetting what this was called? It's just church ruins. Now I'm gonna make this Route 7. And then this is Varlin. This is going to be Route 8. Just going to quickly change this on the other document here to reflect it. The switch in the route numbers. I have not been catching Pokemon this whole time. Okay. That was Route 8. This is Darrowick Desert. Route 9. Route 9. Route 9. Route 9. Route 9. Route 9. Talketon? I think that's how we spelled it. Yes. Route 10. Goes up this way. Vic. Safari Zone. So this is Route 10. Yes, so this is Route 11. Not 22. Monsant. Oops. Route 12. Keep doing that. I know this is riveting stuff. Can't forget Monsand Mine. And then Glyphin. I almost forgot the name for a second. Glyphin. Route 13. Yeah, I'll take a look at it. Been super busy trying to get everything coordinated with the new team and all of this stuff that I've been trying to implement and everything. So, plus I've been doing a ton of stuff working on stream stuff. Obviously, there's the chat overlay here now. I have new transitions. I completely redid all of the buttons on my stream deck. I have been quite busy. What was this? Matsoak Cavern. That was the name of it. Valameto. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I have a really good feeling about it. I mean, you talked to them yesterday longer than I did. So, I am very excited, very hopeful. I think it's going to be good. Okay. And honestly, it's going to be good for me too, because it's given me way more motivation to work on it as well. So, what was this called? Tilted Monolith. Why am I constantly forgetting numbers? About 15. 17. And this is the toxic bugs. Okay. Then this up here is about 17. Oops. Just realized I forgot to do something. Okay. And then this is where? About 18. Come on, League. Guild domain. There it is. Route 19. And Bangru Forest. Awesome. And I take this and I copy it. Put it into here. Like this. Save this. Turn down the volume so we don't blast our ears out. Okay, I still need to figure out why it's not showing up here. But it says Camus on top. Neutraville. Route 1, very white. This is so awesome. This is so awesome. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, that is so, so awesome. Oh, that feels good. That feels so good. Well, that was what I was planning on doing today. It has been quite a long stream, actually. I started so early. One thing that I do want to do is I want to look into the menu and all of the like info for the pause menu here. To see if there's a way viewport sprites. Main pause menu class. Okay. Hmm. PB show menu. Pokemon Essentials. Add item to menu. Do you happen to know how to do this at all? Like how to make it trigger? How to make it trigger new options in the menu? Because, like, if I boot this up here. Like, I have the menu, right? And obviously I'm using this style menu, but it still works the same way. Right, if I just go through real quick. So, obviously there's no Pokemon option because I don't have a Pokemon. But then if I do this... we get our Pokemon, we get a Pokedex. And now Pokemon and Pokedex both show up in the menu. Right? Now, this plugin supports having the town map in the menu as well, right? But then when I go to pick it up, it doesn't show up in the list. So let me see. What's this? Nope. Right, this one. Because this controls everything. That has Pokedex. PB play script player has Pokedex. Hold on. Are you out of ads? But you're out of ads now? Yeah, okay. I was just trying to figure out if there was a way to make it so that in the pause menu that the town map actually shows up there once you get it. Just like how when you get a Pokemon, you get the Pokedex, then those options show up in the menu to make it so that the town map can show up there as well. I was... Okay, I have an idea. Maybe you can tell me where something is if you know. There's... When you receive... the Pokedex, you... it runs this. Player.has Pokedex equals true. So clearly that's something stored within the player thing. Right. But what I'm thinking is there might be something in that script that causes it to show up in the menu. Right? So if I can find that, then maybe I can take that and do the same thing in the script for the town map. Not in vanilla, it doesn't, but the special menu interface thing that I have does include it. So I would assume there would be some way. Because like if we just take a look real quick. This is the art folder for it, and you can see these are all of the icons and stuff, and it includes one for the town map. So clearly there's some way to have that show up, because like this is the one for the Pokegear, right? But then there's the town map here. Okay, I don't like looking up a lot of stuff while I'm streaming, but I am gonna quickly take a look. Okay. Let's see. Open the config to change things. There's nothing in here. Menu main. This is. Okay, hold on. Time to look at code and see. Ooh, base class for defining a menu component. Pause menu scene calls. Options. Options command to change menu themes. Okay. What does this say here? Pokemon. Wait. Menu, file, path menu. Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure. Someone else was asking if there was a way to add more menu options, but there was no answer to that. I mean, it's even showing a map, like, in the little screenshot at the beginning. So it's just, I don't know. Ooh, menu components? Is this it? No. No. That's like extra stuff. Maybe this? Hold on. No. Okay, I might have to look into that some other time. Because, like, yeah, I should be able to add the town map into that. So, another thing to add to the list. Yep. Why is it sharing that screen? Don't share that screen. But it's been a little while since I showed off what this plugin actually is and what it does. Because it actually does more than just do this little menu like this, right? So, here's the other thing. Notice on top, there's that question mark with the green bar. The question mark is there because I don't have artwork for the Pokemon, but it actually shows the status of your party as well, right in this menu. And then you can see the date and the time up in the corner as well. And the location where you currently are, just by going to this. Beep. Yes, very oversized BBQ. I was able to get this working as well. This no longer breaks. PBKB has Technician. I was able to also get it so that things no longer break. The reason I have like 2 moms here, this is the original like thing that I have here, and then this was my experimentation with how to properly do it with the extra gender split. Because it's really it really annoys me that you can't have what's it called? Else if. Like, why can't I do else if else if else? Why can I not do that? Right, so I'm playing as male. Hi Kyle, you should go say hi to Daisy. Right. If I should go female. Hi Daisy, you should say hi to Clover. Share the wrong screen. I hate that it does that. It's an old sprite. I just stuck in there randomly to be able to get this thing to work. And then hi Clover. You should go say hi to Kyle. So obviously we're gonna need to figure out what that actually is gonna look like, how the trio is gonna work. But yeah, that's what I was able to get implemented and working. So there's gonna be a lot of it's gonna be a lot more programming to get all of that in. Obviously. But it's gonna be good once we can actually get it to work, right? It's gonna be good. Yep, I am definitely gonna be the one to handle all of that. So yeah. So I think that is gonna be where we end for today. We've definitely made some good progress. We've definitely made some really good progress today. We're gonna need to keep working, keep figuring things out. I think we should have a meeting with the whole team to kind of work out how we want that trio to work. And then we're gonna do. Obviously, you're working with Zen, and then I'm gonna work with Teddy to get some of the dialogue going as well. And yeah, We'll figure that out later. You just gotta find a time when everyone's available. So, yeah. That's why did it not do the hello? Why is it not set to this? There we go. That's what it was supposed to do. It got switched when OBS crashed, I guess. Um yeah. Thanks for being here today. This was very fun. I don't remember. I haven't done anything with trying to implement anything at this point since looking at stuff again. Um so that's going to be the kind of the next step, cuz the next things that are going to happen are starting to get artwork for some of the trainers, of course, getting dialogue put in for the parts of the game that I have built maps for, um and then getting the Pokemon themselves for that. Actually, yes, Tedio and Vanillope are implemented, I think. Now that I think about it, I think they are implemented, and I even gave Tedio to one of the trainers on the first route. I think. I'm pretty sure yeah. Um, I think this guy has a Tedio. um, but yeah, that's the next stuff that needs to happen, is getting the dialogue figured out for this whole beginning of the game and stuff, and then starting to get the artwork for these early trainers, of course, starting with the actual playable trainers, and then moving into the characters themselves. I am realizing this is ever so slightly off here. Hold on. I really quickly want to fix this. What? That? Huh? My brain did not work there, and I don't know why. That's better. Now it's actually lined up with the top of the camera. Okay. Um. Okay. So, I was gonna. I. We don't need to figure out who we're gonna raid. I know exactly who we're gonna raid. Um. She just got a double raid, so now it's gonna be a triple raid. Um. So, here are the raid messages. The first one is if you are not subbed. The second one is if you are. And we're gonna go say hi to Pink, who's going to be gone for about a week. So we're gonna go say hi to her. I will see you later. Bye.